Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here at SIGGRAPH 2022, and this is Michael Stein from Framestore. Michael.
Great to be here with you, Randy.
Yeah, it's really good to see you again.
Yeah. So tell me, how's your show been going?
It's been going smooth as silk. It's been really, really good. Now, I have a lot of questions for you. One is, do you want to begin with what your goal is here at SIGGRAPH? What
Sure,
you want to see, what you want to learn about?
Yeah, I mean, I think first of all, it's been 3 years since any of us have really seen each other in person, so it's great to reconnect. It's a great opportunity to see what everyone is doing and to share notes and to really move the industry forward. And I'm looking to find out what everyone is worried about, what everyone's pain points are, and to see if there's opportunities to collaborate and to partner with our vendors, with our colleagues, and to see what's going on in the industry.
Well, the big thing here, well, there are two things: open source. And virtual production workflows, which they kind of fit in together. So why don't you talk about open source and why it's so important, and some of the companies that have announced open source?
Yeah, so there's been some big announcements. DreamWorks has open sourced their renderer, which they've been developing now, I think, for almost a decade at this point. And then there's a huge announcement from the Academy Software Foundation, a thing called Open Review, which is 3 companies contributing source code to creating a review system that the entire industry can use. And for Framestore, that's really important. We rely heavily on open source software in everything we do, and we are actually looking to contribute back to the community. So we're here to see how everyone approaches it, see what opportunities there are, and to bring some of our own work into that world.
So a little bit of a hybrid thing. So you guys could take the open source and you could build onto it and make your own.
That's right. We just rely really heavily on what the industry does. Everything from just the Linux operating system to all the just incredible work that the Academy Software Foundation does and everything that's been contributed there. And we want to be part of the community, so we're hoping to give back soon.
Very cool. So, okay, so virtual production. Let's talk a little bit about that. What have you guys been doing? How do you feel about those workflows? Do you feel like it is the future?
Absolutely for us, and probably 2 big things for us I could talk about. So a couple years ago, Framestore created an FPS division, the Framestore Pre-Visualization Services, and it's everything from previs and post-vis and tech-vis. We do virtual cinematography, virtual scouting, and working on LED volumes. And then also we're working on 1899. Which is the Netflix production. It's a supernatural episodic series that takes place at sea. And we worked on the largest stage in Europe, in Germany. And so we were able to partner with the studio and the production teams and really bring this amazing story to life in an environment that would have been very hard to do otherwise in the physical world. So it's really just an incredible new set of tools that we can use.
It is pretty neat. Now, do you think green screen, blue screen will go away, or do you think there will be a world where it's all being used?
Yeah, I think green screen and blue screen as a concept maybe stays around. I think what's really important is that the virtual production is not the end of it. LED volumes are not the solution to everything, and they will mature and they'll grow, and we'll find a way to just put that in the toolbox as a mature tool, and then something else will come along and we'll find new ways to do new things. It's really about telling great stories, and so whatever we can do to help further that, we'll keep going. Yeah.
Well, that sounds good. So what do you see coming next?
Yeah. So I think one of the biggest things, and virtual production is a part of this, is real-time. I think that game engines have really taken center stage in a lot of the new workflows. And so, from everything from making animated short films in game engines, that's something that Framestore is working on. We have our own project that hopefully will be out towards the end of the year. And then using those tools for artists, how do they work better? How do they see things sooner? And for Framestore, we have a huge effort around interactive and immersive. And so for us, real-time is something that we just do, and the way we tell stories and provide experiences for our clients.
Very cool. Michael, thank you so much for stopping by and chatting.
Always a pleasure, Andy.
It'll be really nice to touch base after the show and pick your brain a little bit more.
That'd be great.
Thank you.
Thank you.